Hello. Oh, come on, wind. You don't have to start out now. Oh, it gets stronger now. I was going to say, I'm here at Dogwood Canyon Road, BLM Dispersed camping site. And this is a free area. And look. But the thing is, if you look in there towards the closer to those mountains, that's Oliver Lee. So this dispersed camping area is near Oliver Lee. You know, because one time I was watching another YouTuber, and they were going on a Route 66 trip supposedly, and somehow he ends up on I-10 and went down to White Sands. After he's in White Sands for the day or so, he leaves and he goes, "Oh, I don't like this place. There's no place to camp," you know. And you're looking at those mountains in the distance. White Sands is less than 12 miles away. So he's wrong. He just needed to do his research. But instead, he drives like 100 miles back to a place in Arizona because he says there's no free camping here. That's funny. But another one, if you go outside of White Sands, right out of the gate and turn left on Highway 54, within 4 miles there's like a little lake, and it's called Hohem area. Hohem area overnight camping or something like that. It's from Hohem Lake from the Air Force Base, but it's open to the public. It's free also. So he could only went 4 miles. But no, I guess he wanted the drama, whatever, I don't know. But I'm going up here. This is the Oliver Lee, and I'll have a campsite over there. But hopefully I'll get to explore those mountains later on. I'm gonna stay here a couple days. Maybe take the drone up and all that stuff. But just want to tell you out there that if you are traveling around south of Alamogordo and on the way to Oliver Lee, and there is dispersed camping here, it's free. There's a few people out here right now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's somebody over here, and there's somebody else by the turnoff. There's like 2 turnoffs. There's just dirt roads. They're not marked, but yeah. And if you want to stay here for your 14-day limit, but you know, make sure you have water and stuff. But at Oliver Lee, if you go there as a visitor and pay their day use fee, I believe that allows you to use their hot showers and the restrooms and all that too. And I'm pretty sure they would let you get water there, but I'm not 100% on that. But anyway, that's all I have for this one. Sorry for the shaky. And there's my van right over there. And there's Yuki right there. Yeah, I just made that video and I said I called it the wrong name. It's called Dog Canyon Road. That's the road it is. Dog Canyon Road comes off and goes all the way to Oliver Lee State Park Campground. And I called it like Dogwood Canyon Road or something like that. It's just Dog Canyon, all right? Thanks, man.